I'm almost 300 pounds, but something might be wrong with me because I'm sitting in a car on a hot day.
You're right.
Sir, that's illegal. That raises big old questions.
Alright guys, we have another video. This one comes to you from a channel called Newton Wells. I've never seen anybody handle police like this. Now there's a couple little parts that I had to cut out of the video, but for the most part, I think this dude is hilarious. I think the cops didn't know what to do and they had no choice but to walk away. Watch this video all the way through. Go subscribe to this channel, let them know I sent you. Let's get right to it.
So I'm sitting here in my car today. I had two pigs walk up and ask me, what am I doing? I'm sitting in a car on a hot day. Wow, I didn't know that was illegal. Oh, let me turn around and see him. This is the officer. Hi, officer.
Oh, how you doing?
Hold on, let me show my juror badge. Hold on, let me show my juror badge. Hold on, this black guy he does jury duty. Oh my gosh, this black guy does jury duty. Wow, this is beautiful. So the officer's here talking to me. I have to, it's sad. I got to drive around with a juror badge because you got shit like this. So I asked him, where does he, why are you even talking to me?
And what did I say?
And he said, I was worried about you. You weigh almost 300 pounds. You might get raped by a little doll. And I just felt like such a bitch. I really did. I'm almost 300 pounds, but something might be wrong with me because I'm sitting in a car on a hot day.
You're right.
Sir, that's illegal. That raises big old questions. And what the fuck are you doing with a juror badge and you're a black man? I don't know, because every black man commits crimes. And so do Mexicans commit crimes. So we cannot see them sitting in a car all day long. They're up to something. Yes, we're up to something. We're being black. And I know it's against the law and your law, but it's something to be, being black sitting in a car. It's a crime. Because I didn't ask this man to come over here. I didn't wave him down. I didn't do anything. And you got two pigs. That's what the fuck they are. And the reason why they're pigs, because a pig is dirty. See, that's why people call them pigs, because they're dirty. Okay? You don't have to do anything. The minute you were born black, that's what you did. Because it's illegal for a black man to be sitting in a car on a hot day with his windows down. Okay? And I don't understand this. They're still here. I told him, officer, there's nothing wrong. I don't need you.
Go back to that, mama. Go back
and guess what? They're still standing here as if though we are doing something. No. So I want you to I want to record all of this stuff. All my viewers, and I'm going to post this up at the proper time. But they're still standing here. He's still standing. I told him there's not a problem. He still has his ass here like he wants to talk to somebody. Nigga, I don't want to talk to you. You don't have to. If you I want to talk to your ass. But he's still sitting here. I guess the guy must find me attractive. So we'll see how long they're going to stand here and talk to me.
Shout out Daniel.
Well, I can't talk to you. You won't talk to me.
Oh, do you hear that? It's like SpongeBob with the big blue hair, the big bear in the blue house. I want to talk to you. I'm lonely.
All right.
Okay, officer, you're lonely.
Yeah,
They're leaving. They're leaving. They're leaving. They're leaving.
Shout out Daniel Hahn.
Shout out Daniel Hahn. It's my cousin. Oh, is he your cousin, sir?
Shut up, fucker.
Wow. So now, guess what? Guess what, world? They're leaving. And guess what? I made them feel like a bitch. I got to ride around with this. This guy's a fucking jury. You know what that means? That means this black man doesn't have a record. That's what a juror badge means. It means this black man don't have a record. But you see what's up. You see him leaving. It's sad, man. You're sad. And you know what? I will make you feel low. Because I know my rights. I know I haven't did anything wrong. This right here is intimidation. But you're not intimidating anyone here. Okay?
Man, let me get this IB or something.
Obviously, this guy had already seen several videos on YouTube. He kind of knew exactly what to say to make these cops just sit there and look stupid. I really wish I would have been able to see their faces more. I know that look would have been priceless. You guys need to know your rights. If you don't know your rights, these cops are going to come up and make you think you have to identify. And then you guys are going to let them search your vehicles. Maybe find something in there. They'll charge you, impound your vehicle, take you to jail, make you go to court, make you pay all kinds of fines. You'll probably lose your job. You'll probably lose your wife. You're going to get kicked out of your house. You're going to become homeless and all kinds of stuff. And if you think it don't happen, believe me, it does. Don't let it happen to you. Know your rights, folks. It starts with knowing the First Amendment of the Constitution. Freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. With that being said, go subscribe to this channel. Let them know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have a blessed day. Peace.